honestly. So the story behind Galactomyces which is me. Which, according to my research, when you tell me that the product works, I want to know how fast does it work.
Yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie. It's been a while since we've done an unboxing video. It's been forever actually. And it's been forever since I've posted a video. Matagal rin ako nawala like 2 weeks siguro. I chose to focus on school because I am taking my master's right now as I've told you guys before. And ano ba naman naisip ko at nag 3 subjects ako in 1 sem while working full-time. So, Anyways, so today we received a package from a company called SomebyMi. If you guys have been on social media or have been active users of social media, then you guys know na nag-trending yung isa sa mga products nila, which is like the Nag-trending yung isa sa mga products nila, which is the tea tree toner, and it promised results in 30 days. It would clear acne, it would make your skin super smooth, parang Korean Idol. I wasn't able to try that product, but they did email me and say na meron silang bagong product, which is like a vitamin C toner plus many more vitamins and other miraculous ingredients. So today I'm going to unbox this and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Let's get started. Before we continue with the actual tearing of the box, I feel like maraming magtatanong kung saan ko binili yung top ko because honestly, this is like cute as... Yeah, medyo may pagkamahal siya, but it was so cute. I could not resist. My wallet was crying after binili ko to, but worth it. Every time I wear this top, I feel super confident and super hot. Pero alam mo yon, hindi ko naman to pwede suotin araw-araw. Nakakahiya naman ko susuotin ko to araw-araw, diba? So every time I wear this, I really like relish in the feeling of this satin wrap top. So anyway, I'm going to cut open this box and wala akong cutter, so I'm just gonna use my scissors. Whoops! So, nung hiniwa ko yung box, nahiwa ko rin yung letter nila sa akin. So it's pretty much just a thank you note for reviewing the product and showcasing it on my channel. But you know what? I'm more than happy to actually feature this kasi sobrang na-intriga rin naman ako sa product na to. And in the box, they sent me 2 products, which is their new toner and serum. So I'm gonna show you guys first what the product looks like, and then we're gonna get down to the nitty-gritty details of the ingredients and how to use it. So this is what their toner looks like. It is the Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner. If you've heard of the ingredient Galactomyces, but you're not exactly sure what it is, it's basically natural fermented yeast extract. And I'm gonna talk more about it later. Ito yung itsura niya. Not only does this product have 88% of Galactomyces, pero it also has 10,000 ppm or, according to my research, 1% of vitamin C extract. Pero, aside from that, there are also 10 vitamins included, which, according to my research, is vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin F, hindi ko nga alam na may vitamin F pala eh, vitamin H, and vitamin E. Basically, all the ingredients in this toner are made from natural ingredients, and I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen just so you guys have an idea of where these ingredients come from. The number one benefit that you get from this toner is that it actually revitalizes tired skin because of the Galactomyces itself. So the story behind Galactomyces is there was actually like a man working with a natural fermented yeast extract, and they noticed that even though he was hard at work at the factory, his hands remained super duper smooth and youthful looking. So that was the effect of the yeast extract, which is included in this toner. It's basically rich in organic fatty acids, yeast peptides, and enzymes that replenish tired looking skin. So with that being said, I feel like this product is super ideal, especially for people who are into anti-aging products, which is me. Kasi naman, when you reach your 20s, your body doesn't really produce a lot of collagen anymore. So, it doesn't really fight off blemishes, dark spots, and signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles that well. So, that's why your skin really needs TLC pag nasa 20s ka na. Hindi ko sinailant yung phone ko, tapos bilang may nagte-text sa akin, avail of 50k loan. Like, hindi ko kailangan ng pera. So, tatanggalin ko na siya ngayon sa box so we can see what the bottle looks like. I read something super interesting about this product. So, this product comes in a dark brown bottle because it needs to be shielded from the sun. If a product is vitamin C, do not expose it to sunlight or else mawawala yung bisa ng vitamin C. So this bottle protects the vitamins that are inside. The bottle holds 200 milliliters and you can actually apply it with a cotton, but they also recommend applying it directly on your fingertips and smoothing it on your skin. The second product we're going to talk about is their serum, and buti na lang hindi pa ako bumibili ng serum. To be honest, I've been thinking about buying a tea tree serum nila, kaya lang I'm really scared about gambling with tea tree ingredients because it's not for everyone. I have a friend who had like such a big allergic reaction to it, so after that, I told myself I have to be more wary about the products that I should purchase, even though super popular and, you know, trending sila. So this is what it looks like. It looks like any other serum. Just like the toner, it also comes in a brown bottle so that it can protect what's inside from sunlight. What are the benefits of the vitamin C serum? So just like the toner, the vitamin C serum also has 10,000 ppm of vitamin C or ascorbic acid, which is known to lighten your skin. So if you want that bright Korean idol kind of look, then vitamin C serum is something that you should have in your skincare routine. This serum is fermented with 75% of Galactomyces. So again, Galactomyces, as we talked about earlier, is what helps your skin revitalize from fatigue, fine lines, and wrinkles. Both products are made of natural ingredients, so they have no artificial dyes or anything synthetic like that. So you guys might be wondering, if I buy the toner, is it essential to buy the serum? Or if I buy the serum, is it essential pa ba na bumili ako ng toner? I think yes, because just like a 10-step skincare routine, or even if you don't follow a 10-step routine, cleanse, tone, moisturize, there's a certain order to it. The effects of the toner will be amplified by a serum. So if you want like the best results, you have to use both. I'm a girl who loves results. Like, I'm very results driven. So when you tell me that the product works, I want to know how fast does it work. So according to my research, it actually works within 28 days. If you guys remember, yung tea tree toner nila promised 30 days of miracle. Ito, 28 days. So I can't wait to try it and get back to you guys about what I really think about it in 1 month. By the way, if you guys are super into K-pop, did you guys know na ang endorser nila ng products na to is Seungjae of BTOB. So, ang selling factor talaga nila dito is if you've always wanted like idol-like skin, which honestly, I really want that kind of skin, then these products promise to deliver those results. So to fully seal my first impressions of this product, I want to know what the texture is of the toner and the serum. So I'm gonna open it up and try it on camera. It smells like vitamin C. Like, it smells like the saline vitamin. Yeah, it smells like the saline vitamin mixed with rose water. So I'm gonna put the toner on my hand. So it has a very watery-like consistency, but a little bit thicker than water, I would say. When you've already like rubbed it or tapped it on your skin, it doesn't feel sticky at all, and it has no strong fragrances. Now for the serum, I want to show you guys what this looks like. Now this one has a thicker consistency, and it looks a little bit like oil. Ooh, para siyang jelly-like consistency. So far, so good. My skin feels really moisturized, but I can't wait to see the results after 28 days. So if you guys want to know if this product works out for me, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will get back to you in 1 month, and we'll do a final review. Thank you so much to SomebyMi for sending these products, and I can't wait to see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.